my teammates for your dedication, and to my coach for your guidance. This wouldn't be possible. Being part of this dance team has been one of the most amazing experiences of my life. We've spent so many hours practicing, laughing, and supporting each other. Every routine, every performance, every competition taught me something new. Not just about dance, but about dedication, teamwork, and believing in myself. To Ms. Thomas, thank you for pushing us, encouraging us, and reminding us that we are capable of more than we think. You've made us better dancers and better people. To my teammates, you are some of the most talented, fun, and inspiring people I've ever met. I'll miss the inside jokes, the high fives after performances, and the feeling of being on stage with all of you. And last but definitely not least, I want to thank my parents. You've been my biggest supporters from day one. Thank you for the countless rides to and from practice, the cheers from the stands, and the endless encouragement when things got tough. Your love, sacrifices, and belief in me have meant everything. I couldn't have made it through these past 3 years without you. Thank you.